Hello and welcome to our free premium analysis service. First of all, subscribe to our channel. Your continuous sports needed. Now take a look at the USDJPY currency pair. As we are giving the free and simple analysis that is understandable to many type of traders, trend traders or scalpers. We do not put any indicators on the chart that you will trade from that indicator. This situation, every indicator have different situation, so we do not give complications for you. So now take a look at the USDJPY currency pair. As the USDJPY currency pair is performing, you can say bearish, and we are still saying that it will go in the selling direction. And from this you can say H4 bearish trend channel line, you can say market is going bearishly toward that level, but market is giving some pullback from that scenario to that. These are the level. Yesterday we are saying that from that there is a good selling opportunity if the market make a pullback and go in the that is very perfect, but market cannot go toward that area and go in the selling direction. If you take these entries and if someone make the buying opportunities from near the elliott wave level, he has also make a good amount of profit, because USDJPY when go in the upside direction it will go very fastly, and when go in the selling direction it will go very slowly to test the each and every levels. So now what will next? Overall, if you look at the bigger picture, our take profit limit for this wave is 118.90. if you are a bigger trader, then hopefully you guys understand. If someone is a day trader, then this is the, you can say, main resistance of 131.50 level, and he still make the buying opportunities from that it will he think that the major trend will continue in the upside direction. These things are possible when the market you can say break the resistance level of 134.50 and close the H4 candle above that area, then you can say it will go in the upside direction. But now the trend is bearish and you find the selling opportunity. We say that when the market go again toward the 134.00 level, or you can say 133.80 area, you will again make the sell opportunities from that area. This EMA 50 is pushing the USDJPY currency pair in the selling direction, so our first target is 131.50 level, as that is clear in front of you, and 134.50 is also a good entry for scalping. So overall the trend is bullish, and best entry is from 133.90 as a sell opportunity, and maybe the market follow the trend in the selling direction now, and our first target is at that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous sports needed.